Insulating a garage door will help reduce energy bills and protect items in your garage from harsh outdoor temperatures. Here's what you'll need. A higher R value will keep your garage warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. However, it is often more expensive than low R value insulation. Choose the right insulation rating based on your garage and door type. Detached, non-heated garages usually only need insulation with an R value of 0 to 6. Attached, non-heated garages should have insulation with an R value of 7 to 9. Heated garages should have insulation with an R value of 10 to 13. Garages with a living space above them should have insulation with an R value of at least 14. Make the job easier with a DIY garage door insulation kit that includes pre-cut insulation, fasteners, and sometimes tools like gloves and utility knives. Start by planning the location of the fasteners. Make 2 marks on each door panel that are 12 inches in from each side and vertically centered. The next step is to attach the retainer clips. Firmly press the double-sided tape onto your pre-marked spots. Then remove the front side peel of the adhesive tape and firmly press a retainer clip onto each piece of tape. Measure and cut a piece of insulation for each panel. Cut 1 to 2 inches longer than your door panel measurements. Peel off the excess insulation. After you cut the insulation, tuck each piece into its correct door panel with the vinyl side facing outward. If you choose an insulation with a reflective radiant barrier, the reflective side should also face outward. Secure the panels by fastening the retention clips. Push the insulation flat against the door and feel for the clip. Slice half-inch slits through the insulation to allow the retention clips to pass through. Attach the front pieces of the retention clips to the back pieces to secure the insulation panels. Now that you know how to insulate a garage door, you can improve the temperature and efficiency of your garage. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.